Hello everyone. Today I will be solving this LeetCode question from NeetCode 250. This time I will be solving the problem called contains duplicate. Sorry, I have some issues with my health, so you can understand that. Just to let you know that my name is Mandar and I am preparing for FANG companies and other top companies. So sorry. So let's start then. First, we're gonna have to set our timer here. Let's set the timer 25 minutes. Cancel. Alright, let's start. Contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears more than once in the array, otherwise return false. So that means we have an array like nums, and we have to check that if any number appears more than once in the array. And here we have number 1, 2, 3, 3. So we have two numbers that are appearing. So yeah, and we're returning true. And for this problem, we're returning false since there are any duplicates here, right? And yeah, let's try to solve this problem. I don't think I have to check this, but I still will gonna draw this here a little bit, so to demonstrate. Let's screenshot this question, right, and save to clipboard and do here paste. Alright, so sorry, this, it's too big. I don't know how to make this. Yeah, alright. Why it's so freaking big? Alright, anyways. So we have nums, right? We have nums is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 3. So how do we check? Well, we're gonna loop through the list. We're gonna loop through the list, and we can use a hash map. Right? We can use a hash map to check. To add each value from here, and we're gonna check if the next value is equal to this one, and if you find that they match, or we don't even actually use a hash map, we can just use value like this value, and we're gonna set this number to, I don't know, well, we can just take the first value here, like list is 0. I'm gonna take the first value from the list and check that each number to the rest of the list, and that's it. So we don't have to check this back to this. So oh no, check. No, that's not the proper way of doing it. We can use set to check that if it exists. yeah, let's just solve the implementation. I'm so sorry that I couldn't explain it well, but I did my best, so let's just run this for a while. Has duplicate. Oh, sorry. What's wrong? I think this all files. I don't want to count code completions. All right. From typing import list. So yeah, let's start. You can use the hash set, like the dictionary, right? And we'll loop through the number, num in nums. If num, alright, now hash set dot get. I think I have to disable this freaking sound accessibility. Where's that sound? Oh yeah, signal. It's at 0. Okay. Get num is none, and if it's none, then hash set dot not update, but let's just use this num is equal to true. So is this a way? Okay, so if it's not done, else return true, return false. So let's check our solution with this input. Now we're gonna print as duplicate nums is equal to nums. cd day2 python shoot, I don't want this. Has duplicate is missing one required mode starting with nums. Yeah, I knew this. Let's just run this. True, of course true. And now let's check this solution. This input, just to make sure that we are checking also false values as well. Nums 2. Is this correct? What's wrong here? It's not defined. False. Yeah. So this is our solution. Let's copy and paste it right here and run our code. Outside of function. Yeah. As always, this freaking indentation thing. We are leaving R here, which is pretty uncommon thing for me to do. Sure, and now let's submit. Accepted. Analyze complexity. Boost upgrade to probe. Alright, I don't want to upgrade. And let's go to LeetCode. I feel like I have solved this problem before, if I'm not mistaken, because I do remember solving this problem before. Has duplicate, I'm sorry, duplicate, contains duplicate. So let's see our solution then. What was my solution back then? Alright, my accepted. Not once but twice. What is my exception? Solution. Same solution like before. It's saying that runtime only is 425 milliseconds. It's pretty high. Maybe I could just use something else, like just return like this. Return nums is equal to set of nums. Right? This is easy way. False. Oh no. This is not true. Can you do this if nums equal to no, this is not the solution. No, we can do it this way. If check the other way around, set nums is equal to nums. Basically what you're doing is, even if the sorted value are the same, duplicates, they remove duplicates. This is not the best solution. This is not the best solution. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna find another solution later.